This is our lecture number 53. In this lecture, we will see the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is the tense which shows the perfect action. Means completely the subject does here the perfect action. Means that action is completed. It is not incomplete, that is actually completed by the subject, and so it is called the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense can be identified or is identified with the help of has and have. Means has and have are the helping verbs which tell us about the present perfect tense. Has, have plus pp is equal to the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense means what? Has plus have plus pp. Means, for example, we can say I have done my homework. I have done my homework. In this sentence, I is the subject, have is the helping verb, done is the past participle, and my homework is the object. And if we can say that I have done my homework in the night, so in the night is the complement. Complement means the word phrase which is complementing, which is helping the sentence to get the proper meaning. So here we will see some verbs. For example, has done, have done, has gone, have gone. These are the verbs which show us the present perfect tense, and in this way we can use this present perfect tense with the subjects also. The subjects are I, we, you, he, she, it, they. So we can say that I have, we have, then you have, he has, she has, it has, and they have. And then with them means with has and have, we use the past perfect. Means past perfect means what? PP. We can use there the PP verb. So has done, have gone, have selected, has written, has spoken. So has plus PP, have plus PP is equal to the present perfect tense, and the present perfect tense is the tense in which the subject completes its action. Means that action is totally complete action or totally is completed action. Now we will see the structures of these tense. So the first structure we will see is that simple positive. So when we see the structure of this tense as simple positive, then we say that at first there is the subject, then there are the helping verbs has and have, then there are or is the past participle, then there is the object, then there is the complement, and then there is the full stop. Remember here, this full stop shows the simple sentence. If there is the full stop at the end of the sentence, that is called the simple sentence. Now we will prepare the examples with the help of this simple positive structure. So the example is, he has given me rupees 100 yesterday. He has given me rupees 100 yesterday. The meaning of the sentence shows that this action has been completed by that subject yesterday, means yesterday, it means that the action has been completed and the action has taken a lot of time, because yesterday shows that yesterday means not now, yesterday means in the past times, means he has given me rupees 100 yesterday, means this action of the subject has taken a lot of time. So we can say that this subject has taken the time to complete the action, and then that action has been completed, and that's why this tense is called the complete tense or the present perfect tense. There is the second sentence. That second sentence is, I have given him a ball in the morning. I have given him the ball in the morning. Means this I has completed, this I has completed his action in the morning. So now this action is completed. Means the action in the present perfect tense, the action happens in the past and it comes to the present tense, and in the present tense that action is completely done. The action is done, but that action is completed in the past and it comes to the present tense, and that is called the present perfect tense. The second structure we will see is the simple negative structure, and the structure is subject plus has, have plus not. It means has not, hasn't, have not, haven't. Then there is the PP. PP means past participle. Then there is the object. Object means O. O means object. And then complement. And then full stop. Again here I will tell you that if there is the full stop at the end of the sentence, that sentence is called the simple positive sentence or the simple negative sentence. Now we will see the examples. The examples are, the first is, she has not loved her parents in life. She has not loved her parents in life. It means that she has completed that action. Means she has not loved her parents in life. Means she has completed that action. Means actually when we see her and her parents, then we understand that she has not loved her parents and the parents are complaining about her, and that thing is seen by her or we see that thing, and that's why here is the sentence which is showing us the complete meaning or the complete action. The second sentence is here, we have not made homeworks in night. We have not made homeworks in the night or in night means we have not made, means we have not completed the homeworks in night, means we have not made that action. We have not made that action means we have not completed that action of making the home assignments or homeworks in the night. Means the subject is talking about the complete action or about the perfect action, means that subject has not done his or her complete action. So the next structure is positive interrogative. Now positive interrogative is the structure in which we can ask the questions to the person who is before us and that person answers to our question. So the positive interrogative structure is has and have in the beginning plus subject plus PP plus O plus C plus question mark. Here is the question mark. And this question mark shows the question. Means we ask a question and a person to whom we have asked a question gives the answer. That is the method of these questions. So we will see some examples. So has it taught you really? Has it taught you really? It means that has it taught you really? Suppose there is a book. So the question is telling that has the book taught you really? Has the book taught you really? Means has the book completed its action really? Has the book done its work really or completely? Means here the question is given in the present perfect aspect or the present perfect time or duration. The second example is, have you received money really? Have you received money really? Money really means what? Here the question is being asked to the person, have you received money really? Means the action of receiving the money, receiving the money to the particular person has been completed or not. If that action has been completed or not completed, that is the meaning of this sentence, question of this question, and that's why the question is, have you received money really? So if the action has been completed, the answer will be yes, I have received money really. And if that action is not completed, the answer will be no, I have not received money really. Then the next structure is the negative interrogative structure. The structure is has, have, plus yes, plus not, plus pp, plus o, plus c, plus question mark. And the examples are, has he not given you time just? Has he not given you time just? Means here the question has been asked for telling, for showing. Has he not given you time just? Just means at this time, now. Has he not given you time? Means has he not completed the action of giving time to you? That is the meaning here. Means that question is also in the present perfect tense, and so the aspect, the duration or the time given in this question is also the present perfect tense, and so the present perfect tense is called the tense which gives us the perfect action. The second example is that have they not called him for marriage? Have they not called him for marriage? Means the person is asking a question to the second person about the marriage. Means he is inquiring about the marriage, and the person says that have they not called him for marriage? Means have they completed the action of calling him to the marriage or not? Have they called him for marriage or have they not called him for marriage? So this is the thing, and these questions, two questions, both the questions are giving us, telling us about the perfect action, about the perfect tense, about the present perfect tense. So if it is the present perfect tense, then we can say that the action is completed. Means the subject makes that action complete, or that action happens complete, or that action is done completed in the present perfect tense we can say. Then type questions are there, verbal questions are there, means we ask the question to some person, or one person asks the question to the second person, and the second person gives that answer in the sense of yes or no. So these questions are called type questions or the verbal question. So I will speak here, or I will tell you here, I will explain here that has he invited you for the party? Has he invited you for the party? Yes, he has invited me for the party. No, he has not invited me for the party. So these are the two answers, and these two answers have come in the sense of the yes or no meaning, and that's why this is called the type question, because the answers of these questions occur or come into the sense of yes or no, and that's why these questions are called the type questions. The second question is the negative interrogative question, and the first question was positive interrogative question. The negative interrogative question is asked like this: have they not written papers today? Have they not written papers today? Means have they not completed the action of writing papers? Have they written the papers, or have they not written the papers is the meaning of this question. So the question is, have they not written papers today? So the answer is yes, they have written papers today. The answer is no, they have not written papers today. So the answers of this question again have come into the form of the negation and the positivity, and that's why they are called the type questions. Finally we can say that perfect action is shown with the help of has and have plus pp. That is the conclusion. Means has or have plus pp means perfect action. So we can say that I have, we have, you have, he has, she has, it has, they have. So these are the perfect actions. And negative, how will be the negative? I have not, we have not, you have not, she has not, means she hasn't, he hasn't, he has not, it hasn't, it has not, like this. They have not, they haven't, like this. So we can see here that at the end that this present perfect tense gives us the positive as well as negative, and then interrogative positive and interrogative negative structures. Here we have completed our lecture 53, and that lecture was based on the present perfect tense. Thank you very much.